Welcome, it's Monday. I have been carving all this today, and then some of these we did yesterday, Sunday. So these are ready for paint, and I'm working on a special project that is let me show you, recipe box. So essentially we have a box and we have the border here, as you can see, the border here with a slot in the middle to put the recipe card in there, so you can read off, and then there's a lid that flips open, and inside the box will be all the recipe cards stacked in there. So you take one out, sit it on top of the box, read off your recipe, start cooking or baking, and then you can store it back in there. That's the special project, and I have it laid out so I can do the lid and the front. So I already carved this. This is on the machine, you can see, and we're doing the slot next. See here, yeah. So slot will be next, right here. Alright, recipe box is drying. The lid I just resprayed. I missed a couple of spots. Put some wood putty on to fill the gaps. And tomorrow we'll sand it. Now the adapter for my can install that. I don't know how I can cut this one-handed. Hang on. Good grief. Yeah, that should work. Okay, I hope you can see this up there. I'm going to attempt to climb up there and install this monitor. Maybe. Let's see. Now we're going to hook up some power. Well, I call this a successful Monday. We got tons of science done, got the monitor installed, made a video, did some cable control up there. See up there, there was a bunch of cable hanging down. Installed this. This is for my running signs, so I know how many pegs to put on. I put one little strip on the sign and then write down how many pegs. And I always had the roll laying around and it just got super annoying. So I found this laying around and not in use. I just mounted it on there. Works just fine. So that's an improvement. Got the monitor up. Now we're gonna have to make sure that I can do the setup so the laptop will stay on while I close the lid and only operate on the monitor, so it won't get dusty up there. Basically, I want it to be operating just like that. Now it turns off. I'm gonna have to do some setting changes. Alright, this is it for today. Like and subscribe. I see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.